People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come see us today. Contact us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.